Well, I just did a guitar with this same kind of pattern on it. This is a violin, or as my granddaddy would call it, a fiddle. And my parents also would have called it a fiddle. But that's being descended from hillbillies, I guess. Anyway, both are common names for it. I kind of like the guitar. It was kind of fun to cut. Something about it was satisfying. And I've got it hanging on the wall in there. I think this one hanging next to it would be a good addition. They look good together. This is some unknown wood. It's a little softer than the wood I use. I used oak for the guitar. This is a little softer than that, maybe a little bit thicker though. It's not perfectly 1/4 inches out of a seconds package. So anyway, let me drill it and I'll cut it up and put a finish on it, and I'll see how it looks hanging next to the guitar in there. Well, there it is. That's finished. I got one or two coats of clear enamel on it. That was another little satisfying project. I like the way it looks. I'll throw a photo up of it hanging by the guitar I just cut. They look pretty good together. I'm filming this a week, almost a week, 6 days ahead of Christmas, and I'm going to post this Christmas week. And I'm going to take a little break then. Don't know if I'll post a video the next week, but I need to kind of refresh my creative juices. I need to get some more material in. I'm running low on everything. So, but anyway, hope you enjoy that. And if you're watching this at Christmas time, Christmas of 2024, I'm going to wish you a Merry Christmas and hope you have a good New Year. So, and I hope to see you in the next video when I'm going to kind of try to reboot myself a little bit, maybe, and go a different direction. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but we'll see when I get there. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.